Today we about to do the seat belts on this car. Well, this Q60 2014. Same thing with the G37. Same process. My seat belts, they no longer work. They don't extract both sides. So I'm gonna have to take this whole thing apart and install used ones. If you get new, that's cool, but I found a good used one for a deal for both. It's on my eye. I just bought it. Okay, now the seats are already out. Easy. Just let me show you. You see, it's already out already. All you need to do is push the seat up. 4 bolts, 14s. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might have to adjust the seat to get to them. And you got these connectors. Remove these connectors. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3 connect, and seat should come out both sides. All right, so I took both sides out. Now we're here in the back seat. So for this, you could try and do it from here and try to squeeze your hand in there, but I want to show you the right way. So for these rear seats, well, the bottom part, you're gonna have to pull really hard on these to make it pop out. It's not like, you know, like the G's and the FX, all these other Infinitis. That's easy. Just put a tab and just pull it forward. This, man, you gotta pull very hard on this, upwards, up. All right, let me do that. I need 2 hands for this. Okay, as you see, it's up now. What I mean, you gotta pull hard on these. You have to pull very hard. You think you're gonna break it, but you're not. So just pull very hard on these. And don't forget your seatbelts. Put it through and just pull it out, like so. Put it somewhere. There's your seat, bottom seat. Now, if you want to remove this back seat, you will have to fold it down. There's 12 mils. Well, right here. It's 14 mils over here. Take that, both sides off, and it should come out. But I don't need to take it off, so I'll be alright. I might take it off. Let's just show you how to remove it. Okay, so let's see if I can remove this. You see how this thing comes out? You have to remove this whole thing. Look, and this back seat is in the way. Guess I have to take it off the back seat. Alright, let's get it. This is a 14. You need 14 mils. Do I need to take off the seatbelt? Yeah, I'm gonna just loosen it, just to loosen it, so it's not in the way. Okay, so let's fold the seat down. There's a lever over here somewhere. I think this is it. There you go. It popped up. That's it. Now I move it forward. Like so. Okay. There you go. Okay. Oh shit, is that? Oh shit, did I lose this thing? You have to go back here. Now you have to lift this thing up right here. There's little tilt tabs over here. Little 2 clips things. I need to get my clip puller. I don't want to try to rip this apart. Okay. Pop these off. So. Alright. Now, pop these back. Now there's a cable for this seat release thing right here. You see? Take that off so it's out the way. You gotta do is like slide this over like that. Pull this up like this. I'll leave that there. All right, now let's get the 12 mil here and 12 here, and just take that seat off. Well, loosen it. Okay, you could do that one, or you could do the 14 here. But I'm gonna just do it up there. Take up the 12s right here, so you can just slide off. So I can slide it back the way it was and just reconnect it back. Got the 12. That. And this one. Alright. See how Now it just drops down. We're good. Let's put the bolt right here. Alright, now all you gotta do, slide it off. Not slide it off, but you know, just swoop, take it off. If your back seats are behind you, it might be a little difficult. I never tried it, so whatever. Alright, let's take this off, put it, get out the way. Hey, alright, it is out. Now we got extra room to work with this. Oh yeah, I didn't take off the seatbelt. Let me loosen that. 14. Okay. Okay. Take those off. Just swing it. Just swing it back there. All right. Now you can take off this panel over here. Just pull on it. I might have to move this out of my way. Yeah, let's do that. It's in my way. Okay, so for the other side, I'm not going to show you how to do that because it's the same thing. We're just replacing the seat belt. Okay, let's take this out the way. Let's put this back right there. All right, now we could pull this panel forward. Yep, be careful. Be careful, be careful. Make sure you move this off this right here. Like so. Okay. And there you go. This is up, and don't yank it because we have a connector for your speaker. You have to remove. So let's remove that. And just move this to the side. Okay, now so move this 14 for this. The seatbelt on there, but I don't have a stand. Okay, before I loosen these bolts, let me remove this connector first. Got this little pick over here. Just go in there, pop it back like so, and just wiggle it out. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay, so make sure you examine this connector. It's not damaged. If it's damaged, you're gonna have to get a new one to replace it. Okay, now we could remove this 10 mil, 14 mil, and you got to remove this cap off this thing. Take this off right now. All right, for this, if you use a flathead, I already have this thing over here. If you have a flathead, even better. Just go in there and just pop this off. And you see a 14 right in there. Boom. All right, let's remove this bolt first. 10 mil. Doesn't really matter. You start with that one, top one. Don't matter. 14. Let's go 14. Right here. The whole thing comes out like so. Another 14 right here. Okay, now this is your old one. Okay, let's get the old one, well, new one. Put it up. Okay, got the old one. Same process, reverse wise. Put it on there. Put this here. Bolts on. Now let's tighten the bolts. Top 10 mil. All right. Now let's put the cover back on this thing. If it goes back on, sometimes okay, cool. Probably put the new one because I don't like this little scratch on there. And then take the other one. Okay. Put this on there. All right. Now let's put the 14 over here. Should be straight. Okay, bottom one installed. Now I'm gonna do the other side because you don't have to see this side because it's the same process as this side. Okay, I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm gonna just do that real quick, and you're gonna put everything back together. Don't forget your airbag connector. You need that, and don't forget your speaker connector. Plug that together. Don't forget your speaker. Connect it. All right. Now let's line this up and put it in place. I lined it up, make sure it's everything lined up with the hole, and just bang it in. All right, let's put the bracket on, put the bracket back. All right, now everything's all tight here. All right, now I'm gonna do the other side so we can put everything back together. Don't forget your cover. There's a cover that goes over this, goes over here, like so. Now let's put this 14 back here. For the seat belt, rear seat belt. Probably could have waited to put those seat belts on after the back seat, the rear seat, but you can do what you want. If you watched this before you did it, do that if you want. All right, so if you want to vacuum here, since it'll be tight, do it now so you don't have to struggle. I lined up the seat. Now I gotta tighten this 12. Tighten it. Now let's put the cable for the seat. Make sure it lines up here, like so. Click back. Make sure you click in there, or you could just go like this first. Doesn't really matter. That. Back this back, and just click. Oh, there you go. There you go. Make sure it clicks in. All right, I put the seat back. Oh, not yet. You gotta put this first. Cover this. Now let's put those things on there. These things, put it back. All right, those are back. Now let's put the seat up. Good. Now let's get the bottom seat, put the seat belts through, and lay it down. All you gotta do is push down on these. All right, push down hard till you hear it click. Okay, like I said, don't forget your seat belt. Oh, let's clean it a little bit. All right, don't forget your seat belt. Okay, next thing you know, you yell at your kids or whoever's in the bag, put your seat belt on me while they don't see no buckle. Okay, let's tuck that in there. Shit. If it's not staying, grab the actual belt and connect it to it. Let me show you. Grab this like so it can stay like that. Let's do both sides. I don't know why not do this side. Okay, get this. All right, now you just pull it up and you just push this down until you hear it click. All right, let's do that. There you go. There you go. Done. Okay, make sure it doesn't pop up. All right, now you can release these. Make sure it's good. Just release. All right, and that is it. Seatbelt on. Everything's working good. It tracks now. Slowly, but it still works. Same thing with this one. Slowly, but it still works. All right, the one before was not doing shit. All right, that's all. Later.